In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to clear your status on Slack in just a few clicks. If you've ever set a custom status, like in a meeting, working remotely, on vacation, or even a fun emoji status, and then forgotten to remove it, this quick guide will help you fix that instantly. This works on the Slack desktop app and the web version, and it only takes a few seconds. Before we jump in, if you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy software and productivity tutorials like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open Slack and make sure you're on the main homepage of your workspace. This is the screen where you can see your channels, direct messages, and the sidebar on the left. Once you're here, look toward the bottom left corner of the Slack window. You'll see your profile picture or your initials displayed there. Go ahead and click on that profile icon. When you click on your profile icon, a menu will pop up with several options related to your account and availability. This is where Slack lets you manage things like your status, your presence, and your profile settings. In this menu, look for the option that says Clear Status. This option appears only if you currently have an active status set. Now click on Clear Status. The moment you click it, Slack will immediately remove your current status message and any emoji associated with it. There's no confirmation pop-up or extra step required, so it happens instantly. At this point, your status is already cleared, but it's always a good idea to double-check. To do that, click on your profile icon again in the bottom left corner. When the menu opens this time, you should no longer see your old status. Instead, you'll see the option to update your status again. This confirms that your previous status has been successfully removed. If you see the Update Your Status option, that means everything worked correctly and your status is now cleared. This is especially useful if you want to appear available again, avoid confusion with teammates, or just keep your profile clean and up to date. And that's all there is to it. You've now learned how to clear your status on Slack quickly and easily. If this video helped you, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more simple Slack tips and step-by-step software guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.